Unlocking everyday English. Did the alarm ring? Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. Today, we're diving into a very common phrase that you might hear in daily conversations. Did the alarm ring? Understanding phrases like this is key to improving your English fluency. So let's break it down together. Did the alarm ring? Might seem straightforward, but it's packed with meaning. At its core, this question is asking if the alarm went off or made its sound at the intended time. It's often used in contexts where someone is checking if another person was alerted or woken up by their alarm clock. This question is formed in the simple past tense, which is used for actions that started and finished at a specific time in the past. The structure, did plus subject plus base form of the verb, is a classic formula for asking questions in the past tense in English. In our case, did is the auxiliary verb, the alarm is the subject, and ring is the base form of the main verb. While we're not using phonetic transcriptions, it's important to focus on the pronunciation of the whole phrase. Try to maintain a smooth flow of speech, connecting did and the slightly. It almost sounds like did that. The word alarm should be clear, with emphasis on the second syllable. And for ring, ensure the ing sound is pronounced firmly to convey the question clearly. This phrase can be used in various scenarios, not just for waking up. It could refer to alarms for meetings, cooking, medication reminders, or any event that requires a prompt. Understanding its use can help you navigate daily life more effectively, from ensuring punctuality to managing tasks. When someone asks, "Did the alarm ring?" they're typically expecting a yes or no answer. However, the conversation might extend based on the answer. For example, "Yes, it did, but I turned it off and went back to sleep." "No, it didn't. I think it's broken." Understanding these responses can help you engage in conversations more naturally and follow up appropriately. We hope this exploration of "Did the alarm ring?" has illuminated its meaning, usage, and importance in everyday English. Remember, mastering these phrases will enhance your conversational skills and help you feel more confident in your language journey. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more useful content. Happy learning!